In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loading spinner in Base44. Loading spinners are great for improving the user experience by providing a visual indication that the system is working hard, fetching needed data in the background. Without this feedback, users might think the application is frozen or unresponsive, which could lead to confusion or frustration. So, let's dive in and see just how easily you can implement this feature using Base44 docs. First, it's important to note that in Base44 docs, adding a loading spinner is usually more about communicating your intent rather than manually coding it. This makes the process not only faster, but more aligned with those who might not be as technically inclined. Instead of diving into code, you can leverage the AI chat feature in Base44 to tell it exactly what you're looking to achieve. You'll want to begin by opening your Base44 documentation, where the functionality you're adding is housed. Once there, locate the AI chat feature. This tool is incredibly powerful because it allows you to enter a prompt that communicates your needs directly to the system, which will handle the back-end configurations for you. For instance, when you're anticipating loading times, you'd want to use a prompt such as, add a loading spinner while data is being fetched from the database. What this does is instruct the AI to recognize the points at which data retrieval processes are occurring and to insert a loading spinner during these moments. This step is crucial because it ensures that your users won't experience delays without understanding that something is happening in the background. Instead, they will see a spinning icon indicating that the system is busy fetching data, thus keeping them informed. When you enter the prompt, give the AI a moment to process and apply the changes. If you've articulated your needs clearly, the AI should successfully integrate a loading spinner that appears during data fetching processes. Once applied, it's always a good idea to test the integration. Begin by running a scenario where the database is queried. Observe if the loading spinner appears promptly and if it turns off as soon as the data is fully loaded. This part of the process is vital for ensuring a smooth user experience, as it aligns exactly with your initial goal of enhancing feedback. If you find that the spinner isn't working as expected, try refining your prompt or reviewing the points where data fetching occurs to confirm that they match where you want the indication. Remember, your instructions need to be concise and specific for the AI to capture your precise intent. And there you have it. By using clear communication via Base44's AI chat function, you can effectively add a loading spinner to enhance user interaction. Implementing these small yet significant features can substantially increase the system's usability and keep your users happy and informed at all times.